Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix wireless network adapter missing on Windows 11. First of all, what you have to do in order to fix that issue is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Device Manager. Hit enter, it will open this window, and you have to go to the network adapters on this section. Click on the drop down menu and find your wireless adapter. Once you find, and if you see this down arrow in your wireless adapter, which means that your wireless adapter is disabled. To enable it, simply right click and click on Enable Device. Once you enable it, it will start working. But in case if you're not able to see any of your wireless adapter in the network adapter section, then what you have to do is click on Network Adapter and right click and click on Scan for Hardware Changes. Once it's done, you will be able to see your wireless adapter will now start showing in this section. But if this thing also fails, then what you can do is close this Device Manager and in the search bar type in Settings. It will open your settings. Click on Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings and click on Network Reset. And here you will be able to see a Reset Now button. Click on Yes in order to reset your network. Once you have reset your network, simply what you have to do is restart your computer by going here, and once your computer is rebooted, your problem will be fixed. And that's simply how you can fix wireless network adapter missing on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.